Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you how I got this super colorful pink cut crease look. This look is inspired by plouise. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my colorful, over-the-top, dramatic eyeshadow looks. So let's get started. As always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I'm going to blend that out with a brush, but I am not going to set it with any powder because I want the colors to be super vibrant. Next, I'm going in with the purple shade from the Juvia Zulu palette on a Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to place this color along the outer third of my eye as well as into my crease. I'm going to start by just pushing the colors in first, and then I'm going to blend it out really gently along the edges using small circular motions. Once I've deposited most of the color, I'm going to drag whatever is left on my brush into the inner third of my eye. Next, I'm going to pick up the orange shade from that same Zulu palette on another Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to place this color slightly higher than the purple shade, but I'm going to let it overlap just a little bit, and I'm going to use the same technique by pushing it in first, and then I'm going to go in with the yellow shade from that same palette on that same Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of that orange color. Once that orange color has been blended out, I'm going to go in and intensify the orange a little bit more and also blend between the purple and the orange so that both colors are blending seamlessly into one another. If you feel that the purple is not as intense anymore because of all the blending, definitely feel free to add a little bit more purple, which is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm packing on a little bit more of that purple shade, and then I'm just blending it out really gently so we don't lose any of that pigmentation. Next, I'm going to go in with that same LA Girl Pro Conceal and a flat brush, and I'm going to use that to carve out my lid and to cut my crease. Make sure you take your time during this step. It might seem a little bit tedious, but this is what's really going to make your look pop and stand out because it's going to make everything look so sharp and so clean. I'm then going to go in with this really beautiful shimmery pink color from that Zulu palette on another flat brush, and I'm going to set the lid where I placed the concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with the black shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette on a super small detail brush, and I'm going to use that to sharpen up my crease even more and to make it appear even deeper. Next, using that same super small detail brush, I'm going to pick up that purple shade and lay it directly over the black shadow because while I do want to sharpen up the crease and I do want to add a little bit more depth, I don't want it to just be a stark black color. I would prefer if it looked more like a deeper purple. And as you can expect, I'm going to go right back in with some of that orange shade just to make sure that everything is nicely blended. It's really important that you take the time to go back and forth with the different colors to make sure that everything is blending into one another seamlessly. Next, I went in with this eyeliner from LA Girls in the purple color. This is not a step that's absolutely necessary. I was hoping that the color would be a little bit more vibrant, but I had to go over it eventually with another eyeliner. So like I said, this is a step that you can completely skip because I don't really feel that it's necessary, although it was helpful in creating a guide for the liquid eyeliner. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX liquid eyeliner. This is their Vivid Bright line, and this is the color purple. And I'm going to use this to give myself a pretty dramatic wing liner, but I'm going to leave the center bare, and you'll see what I mean as you continue to watch. So for the center of that wing liner, I'm going to place some concealer, obviously maintaining the shape of the liner. And then I'm going to lay the beautiful pink color from the Zulu palette right on top of that concealer using a super small detail brush. This one I believe is from a nail art kit. I'm then going to go in with the NYX pink eyeliner, also from the Vivid Brights collection, and I'm going to place this above the purple liner, and that's just going to help clean up the purple liner a little bit more, but also give it a fun piece of contrast. This is another optional step, but I think that it kind of ties the look together. I'm going to go in with another super small detail brush and the purple shade, and I'm going to place that over the purple eyeliner, and I'm also going to bring that in to my lid a little bit more. Now I'm just going in and fixing the liner and making everything look really smooth. While I really liked the purple eyeliner from the NYX Vivid Brights line, I found that the pink eyeliner was super clumpy and almost a little dry. It was really difficult to apply, and it actually cracked on me a few times. So if anyone has any recommendations for any better bright pastel eyeliners, definitely let me know in the comments below. Now it's time for the glitter. I'm going in with my NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium and 2 different glitters from the same pack that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to start by laying a thin line of the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. Then I'm going to lay the fine silver glitter first, and then I'm going to follow up by placing the chunky silver glitter right in the center of that line. Now I'm moving on to the lower lash line. I'm going to pick up that purple shade from the Zulu palette on a Morphe M506 brush and just smoke on my lower lash line. I'm going to bring it pretty far into my inner eye corner. And then I'm going to pick up the orange shade from that same palette using another Morphe M506 brush and further smoke out that line. I'm going to drag this color a little low on my lower lash line so it creates kind of a smoky effect similar to what we did in our crease. And you might find that you need to go back in and intensify the purple, which is exactly what I'm doing. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with a super small detail brush and that black shadow from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I'm going to place this just on the outer third of my eye just to ground the look a little bit more and to tie everything together. For my waterline, I want to create sort of a pastel purple color. So I'm first going to go in with this white eyeliner from NYX, and then I'm going to go over top with that purple eyeliner from LA Girl. For mascara, I'm applying the Nars Climax mascara to my top and bottom lashes. You obviously can use any mascara that you have. This just happened to be the closest one to me, and I received it as a free gift from Sephora. For lashes, I'm going in with these super fluttery lashes. I purchased them off of Amazon. So now I'm going to show you what kind of lipstick I'm going to wear with this look, as well as what highlight and blush I'm going to be rocking. So stay tuned. All right, my loves, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer around the perimeter of my face. This is just going to bring some warmth and some dimension back into my face. And then I'm going to show you guys what highlight I have on. This is the Masterchrome Holographic Highlighter. This is what it looks like. It looks kind of white. It applies kind of like iridescent. It's got a little bit of purple in there. So I'm actually going to add a little bit more. Oh, that is such a pretty highlighter. I never do things like purple or holographic, but this is so pretty. I just absolutely had to. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of that into my inner eye corner, the same highlight, of course. This highlighter is really soft and crumbly, so it's not the best formula, but it is really pretty. And just drag a little bit of that down to your lower lash line in your inner eye corner, just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm also going to highlight the tip of my nose and down the bridge. And this is a Morphe E19 brush. I'm almost like scooping it up with the brush, like that's how soft this highlighter is, because I really want that brightness, you know what I mean? I'm going to give myself the teentiest bit on my brow bone, like so tiny. Okay, so for lips, I want to do something that's a little pinky, a little nudie. We're going to try to come up with a nice, fun combination. So I'm going to start by going in with the Jordana lip liner in the color Mulberry Cream around the perimeter of my lips. Then I'm going in with this hot pink liner from Italia Deluxe, the center of my lips. I'm just going to take my finger and blend it into each other. Ooh. Should I leave it like this or should I do some gloss? I think I'm going to need to do the slightest amount of gloss. So then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of gloss. This is the Milani 3D Glitzy Glam Gloss. I think this is the color Designer Label. I only need a little bit. just to kind of blend everything together. And I feel like it needs a little pop of lightness in the center. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more pink. Ooh. I almost like it better matte, so I think I might take this off and make it matte. What do you guys think? I know you can't tell me right now, but like I think that I like it better matte. But hold on a second. I might use the Fenty Beauty Uncuffed color. And I think I can work with this. But I did really like the matte, just the two lip liners together. But this is cute. This is like a satin finish. It's not glossy, but it's not matte either. So it's a nice, you know, combo. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Saharan Blush Volume 1. And I'm going to take, strangely enough, Toby. Where is it? Toby. I'm gonna pull some of the orange from the eyes into the cheeks. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh, that highlight though. I put together a quick playlist for you all. If you are interested in colorful looks, it'll be right here. So go ahead and click that and you will see a bunch of really colorful looks, most of them using the Juvia Spice palettes. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell down below if you want to be notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day.